Good morning, students. Welcome to Priya Math channel. Today we are going to exercise 12.1, page number 299, problem number 6. So, students, I am explaining the all questions. You have to prepare your notes and observe, practice one or two times. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తేనే వస్తుంది. తర్వాత ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఇచ్చినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్ని ప్రాబ్లం మీన్స్ క్వశ్చన్ని మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా చదవండి. రీడ్ చేస్తే అందులో ఏమి ఇచ్చారు అనేది మీకు వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు పేజ్ నంబర్ 299, ప్రాబ్లం నంబర్ 6. ఒకసారి మీరు కూడా టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ దగ్గర పెట్టుకుని ప్రాబ్లమ్ని చూసుకోండి. సపోజ్ యు ఆర్ షూటింగ్ an arrow from the top of the building at an height 6 meters to a target on the ground, an angle of depression of 60 degrees. What is the distance between you and the object? All of you see the here. AB is the building. You are sat here. ఇక్కడ మీరు కూర్చున్నారు అనుకోండి. మీకు చెప్పాను యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ డెప్రెషన్. మీరు కిందకి చూస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది. హియర్ ఇస్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్. సో హియర్ ఇక్కడ చూసుకోండి ఒకసారి. రిటర్న్గా రాస్తున్నటువంటి స్టెప్ చూడండి ఒకసారి. హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద బిల్డింగ్ ఏబి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 60 meters. సో ఏబి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 6 meters. దిస్ ఇస్ ద గివెన్. The ground represent BC. This is the ground BC. Here is the object. The target is C. This is the object. So already he gave this one AX. Say this one X. AX is parallel to BC. X. Therefore angle XAC is equal to angle ACB. This is the alternative angles. When the A is equal to 60 degrees, the parallel line, it becomes angle C is equal to 60 degrees. The briefly you have to understand here. Then you will find in the question what he asked, the target ground and angle depression 60 degrees. What is the distance between you and object? You will find AC. This is the object and you the distance. So when you draw the diagram, it becomes the right angle triangle. So this is the 60 degrees. You need AC. Already here at AB, I am writing here AB is equal AB is equal to given 6 meters and AC you will find AC question mark and angle C is equal to 60 degrees. So these two you have to remember here. ఇక్కడ ఇవి వచ్చినప్పుడు when you have to frame the right angle triangle, you have to always remember the trigonometry formulas. This is the angle and this is the side, this is the hypotenuse. So three parts relation. For example, take the sine function. Sin C is equal to, what is the formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So sin C is equal to how many degrees? 60. Opposite side means AB by hypotenuse AC. So sin 60 means root 3 by 2. So AB is equal to 6 by AC you will find. Then you have to take the cross multiplication. So AC is equal to 6 into 2 by root 3. So you have to write 6 means 3 into 2 by root 3. 2 can write root 3 can write root 3 into root 3 into 2 2s are 4 by root 3. 3 cancel, remaining 4 root 3. This is the distance from you and object. Suppose you have the simplification. What is the value of root 3? Root 3 is equal to 1.732. Then you have to substitute 1.732 into 4. You have to multiply. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 1 carry 2, 4 3s are 12, 1. 7 was 28 plus 1 29. 4 ones are 4 plus 2 6.928 meter. Then you have to simplify and put the root 3 values. This is the 4 marks question, very important. You have to practice it. Okay. Okay students, next you will go to the 8th sum, page number 299, 6th and 8th. Next 8th problem, a boat has to cross a river. It crosses the river by making an angle 60 degrees with the bank of the river due to the stream of the river and travels distance 60 meters. To reach the another side of the river, what is the width of the river? For example, you have to see the so many rivers. ఒక రివర్ని ఒక బోట్లో దాటుతూ ఉన్నాడు. ఈ బోట్లో దాటుతున్నప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద river. The width of the river, I wrote here, let the width of the river AB width of the river గా తీసుకున్నాం. The distance traveled by the boat to another side. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ బోట్ స్టార్ట్ అయితే వాటర్ ఫ్లోయింగ్లో ఇలా వెళుతుంది, ఇది డైరెక్టే రాదు కనుక ఈ విధంగా వెళుతుంది. దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు జాయిన్ దిస్ వన్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్యాంక్స్ ఆఫ్ ది రివర్. ఆల్రెడీ హీ గేవ్ ద యాంగిల్. Angle is equal to how much he gave? 60 degrees. Making an angle is equal to here 60 degrees. So here this is the C. What ఏమంటున్నాడు ఇక్కడ మిమ్మల్ని క్వశ్చన్లో? Cross the river. It crossed the river making an angle 60 degrees with the bank of the river due to the stream of the river and travels distance 60 meters. ఇక్కడ ఇది ఎన్ని మీటర్లు ట్రావెల్ చేసినట్టు మనకి 600 16 వాట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ 600 meters. 600 meters. So it becomes the right angle triangle. So you have to find the width of the river. Width of the river is equal to AB and you have to travel the side, it becomes a hypotenuse. When you have to draw the diagram, it becomes a right angle triangle. Then you have to take the width of the river AB, hypotenuse, travel distance 600 meters. Then you have to take the sine function, sine or cos. Then you have to if you have to take the cos, you have to do the another step, but the sine will be take the directly will got it. Then cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side means AB. AB means the width of the river. Then it is easy to find the value. Cos A means 60 degrees. Adjacent side you don't know, AB by hypotenuse 600. So here you will be find the cos 60 value. Then you have to cos 60 means 1/2. That is equal to AB by 600. Take the cross multiplication, which implies AB is equal AB by 600 is 1/2 is equal to AB by 600. Then you have the cross multiplication, AB is equal to 600 into 1/2. 2 will be cancelled 300 times, so 300. AB is equal to 300. AB means what? What is the AB? The width of the river. The width of the river is equal to 300 meters. This is the also 4 marks question. Okay students, you have to practice it. You have to draw the diagram. Then you have to read the question 1 or 2 times. Then you understand how to do it, the sum. Then you have what is the width. First you have to draw the width of the river AB. Then the boat is starting from A. బోట్ నీటిలో ఎట్లవుతుంది, మూవ్ అవుతుంది కనుక ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయితే ఈ తిన్నంగా రాకుండా ఇటు పోతుంది కనుక దాన్ని ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్గా ఫ్రేమ్ చేసుకుని మనం హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ ఫండమెంటల్స్ యూజ్ చేసి ఆ బిట్ అనేది మనం కనుక్కున్నాం. విల్ గో టు ద నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం.